How to turn $50 into $831.60 in 10 days. The amazing new done-for-you trading solution that is winning 9 out of every 10 trades consistently and takes just 2 minutes per trade. There has recently been a huge paradigm shift in trading. What used to take hours of staring at the hard right edge of the screen now takes just minutes. Trading profitably used to take years to master. Now even a complete beginner can be making money from day one. You can do it on your phone, from your tablet or computer, from any location. It takes under 2 minutes to do, and could have you consistently winning 90% of your trades. And it's not even hard. No learning curve. No system. No more losing months. People from all walks of life are seeing immediate success with this cutting-edge trading tool. You don't use a system or any indicators. And it is not a trading robot of any kind. You are still 100% in control of your money. It is a completely new way to trade Forex, and so far, it has been outperforming everything that came before it by a country mile. This brilliant new trading innovation could make you far more money than you've ever made, and do it in just a few minutes a day. You will see how it just turned $50 into $831.60 in just 10 days. A 1,463.14% gain. And turned $100 into $1,977.84. A 1877% gain in just 15 days. You will also see how it made $183,224.73 in pure profit with a 832.84% gain in 21 days. This simple-to-use innovation will allow you to make gains like those in a matter of minutes before or after work. A tool which could eradicate 90% of your losses and have you making money most every time you trade. Even complete newbies are trading for just a few minutes before or after work and making more money than they did working all day at their job. It is like nothing you have ever seen. A completely new way to trade that instantly replaces fear with total confidence, taking all of the stress and worry out of trading. Something that makes trading so fast and easy. It is now possible to trade for just a few minutes a day and end the week with a big fat profit. Because it puts an immediate stop to losing and gives you complete confidence in your ability to win 90% of your trades, without ever having to second-guess a decision. If you have been trading for any amount of time, then you know the last thing you need is another system, indicator, or complicated strategy. They seldom work, and who has time to learn all that only to be disappointed again? Money is tight and you need a solution that will put you in profit today. Not in weeks or months. Between inflation and everything else that's going on in the world, you just can't afford to lose a dime. Let's be clear on a couple things. This is not another useless signal service. It is not AI or automated trading. It is a done-for-you solution with a proven 90% win rate. Here's the best part about this. It doesn't matter if you are just starting out with a tiny trading account and want to grow it as quickly and safely as possible, or are a more experienced trader trying to turn a big account into an absolute fortune. What you are about to see will do both more effectively, efficiently, responsibly, safely, and quickly than anything else out there. Because while it is making never-before-seen gains as high as 1,877% in just 15 days, its biggest claim to fame is its uncanny ability to not lose money. Proven by its overall long-term win rate of over 90%, with some statements showing win rates as high as 100%. You will see the actual statements backing up these amazing results in just a minute. First, just think about that for a second. Imagine how it would feel to be confident that you now have the ability to win at least 9 out of every 10 trades you place. And every time you open your chart, it's with complete confidence that you are about to make a whole bunch of money. Trading quickly becomes a stress-free and fun experience that not only brings in the money you have always dreamed of making, but also takes just minutes a day. Even if you work full-time, this gives you the ability to make money trading in just minutes before or after work. It's actually so simple you could make more money trading on your lunch break than you do working all day at your job. Because this is done for you. Trading, done right. As I said a minute ago, this is not automated trading. It's something far better. It is having one of the most successful traders in the world trade for you. In one click you will know. The currency with the highest probability for success. The direction you should trade. When to enter the market. What price to target. Where to put your stop loss. How much you will risk compared to how much you will make. You simply copy and paste his exact trades, including all his trade management, onto your chart and you are done. It takes about 2 minutes. After that, all you do is wait until it's time to collect your cash. And what if something happens and the trade starts to do something unexpected? That's all taken care of as well. You will get real-time updates showing you exactly what to do to ensure that you always do 2 things. 1. Make a big profit. 2. Avoid losses. Every trader who has ever gotten wealthy from trading will tell you the fastest way to get rich is to not lose money. Which just doesn't happen when you win 9 out of 10 trades. In a sec I'll show you exactly how this works, but first I want to share with you something that I think will be very important to you. And you may think, yeah, that works if you already have a huge account and can risk thousands on a single trade. So before I show you how fast this could make you wealthy, I want you to see how fast it can take even a small amount of money and grow it at lightning speed. Look at this statement where he took $50 and turned it into $831.60. That's a $781.57 profit and a 1,463.14% gain in just 10 days.